morning, everybody. It's Trina here, owner of Citrus Twist Kits, and I'm here to share the wonderful February Love Stories kit with you, and also share with you a little bit more about the idea of the new Life Crafted album and kit that we just launched and the idea behind them. It was in January of this year, just earlier this month, that I started out. Got something new, and that was launching Life Crafted. My arm was recently broken, my wrist, and it's just out of a splint, so I'm finally able to create this video for you. The Life Crafted kit grew from my dream to have a kit that can be used in many different ways, and that's easy to craft with, helping you get your storytelling done. It's the perfect go-to kit no matter what form of storytelling you use. It's designed so that you can tell your stories in your way, and it's about crafting a life that you love and also living a well-crafted life. Your stories matter after all, and we always want you to be able to tell those stories that make you who you are. Each month has a soft focus that will gently guide you in your storytelling adventures. Each kit features a little card that kind of sets you off on a path for those of you who need one. This one is Love Stories for February, and they include a quote, "A real good love story isn't free of brokenness, but it's full of healing and redemption." And with that, I'm going to dive into sharing this coming month's kit with you. And that is February's Life Crafted Love Stories kit. Each kit comes with some exclusively designed pattern papers that include ledgers and prints and florals and geometric shapes in a variety of colors that allow you to use them in different ways. This is the February kit paper. The kits also come with two double-sided 4x6 journaling cards. I'll hold them up for you to see here. Life takes us to unexpected places, and love takes us home. Flip sides often have a pattern paper on them, so for those of you who don't want to use the journaling card side, there's often the pattern papers that you can use in your storytelling. In addition to that, we also include a cut apart of labels. I don't know about you, but I never have enough labels when I scrapbook, and these are so easy to cut out with your scissors, and you can use a little circle punch to punch out the rounded corners. We also feature 3x8 bookmarks in our kits, and they give you room to tell a story, share some photos. They're double-sided, so you can use the other side for journaling, or depending on what is on the other side, and it might also be another prompt to help you in your storytelling adventures. The February kit also, we love to include little bits of ephemera and bits and bobs from time to time, and one of the things I'm really loving are these oversized manila tags. They're actually a creamy white color, and these will be going up in our shop beginning on February 1st, but we are including one in with your February kit, so you can use them if you haven't tried one before and see what they're all about. In addition, the Life Crafted kit comes with 9 double-sided cards. So for those of you who love to do traditional pocket page storytelling, you've got that as a source. They also are fantastic to layer into mini albums and onto your scrapbooking layouts, and they reflect the theme and the colors of the kit. And we always love the designs of these and the little sayings that help prompt you to move in your storytelling each month. This kit has some wonderful little gold foil printed hearts and heart icon shapes in a variety of colors in soft pink and mint and white with that lovely gold foil. So you can add a little bit of depth to some of your pages. I'll slide those to the side. We are, after all, the theme this month for February is love stories. We've included a full sheet of puffy stickers and a variety of heart shapes and colors and even some patterns on some of the hearts. And we know you'll be able to use these whether you're a scrapbooker, a traveler's notebook journaler, do pocket pages, or mini albums. In addition, we love to have an alphabet in our kits each month, and this month is no different. It's a beautiful gold puffy alphabet sticker that also has numbers and then of course the letters, so you can create your titles and tell more of your stories. In the February kit, we're actually launching, first time we've ever done this, acetate, exclusive acetate in our kits, and these come in colors that complement the kits. And let me show you the back side of, there's actually a acetate shape stuck there. There are a variety of, that's the ephemera pack. Let me grab the acetate pack. There's a variety of shapes and words and sentiments, hearts, another one stuck in the pack, crosses, these lovely little rectangular frames that you'll be able to use in your storytelling. There's a series of numbers from 1 to 9 for those of you who love to do your list keeping. And let me pull out this card and set this against it so you can see just some of the variety of the acetate pieces that are in this month's kit. I think it's called Love. My cat was crawling around on my design table earlier today, and she deposited a few of her shedded hairs. A beautiful day. We've got words and scripts and caps that just kind of will lead you off in various directions in your storytelling. Butterflies with patterns, little voice bubbles, blah, blah, blah. Just the two of us. You get the general idea. These will just take you off in your paper telling adventures. Now, the Love Stories kit is all about the love that surrounds us in our life, and we all have our own stories to tell. One of my favorite movies is Love Actually, and I love all the little vignettes of the ups and downs that we all experience in our lives with love. Love of self, love of others, love of family, love of our children, of our spouses, love of self. Inhale courage and exhale fear. So we've got all those acetate shapes that you'll be able to play with this month. Let me scoot these out of the way. And I am going to now share the ephemera with you. We've got lots of butterflies in this, in a variety of different patterns and shapes and sizes. They look so pretty, just kind of floated across your project pages. We've got scalloped edges, 24/7, love is all around. Lots of sayings to help inspire you. There are tags, there are journaling spots, there are labels that you can punch out, perfect in my imperfection. We do have a number of small sentiments that allow you to tell your story. This is my why. This beautiful heart that has heart of gold in the middle of it. We've got little geometric shapes and arrows, and the stories just can go on and on with these. Injecting a little bit of humor into this. My unicorn ate my homework. Real fun. Anyways, setting that aside, I, last but not least, wanted to be able to share just a few of the projects that I've started to make with this kit. I've included a 5 by 8 1/4 page that I'm keep in my Life Crafted album. We have videos out about this. This is a page from last month using the January Fresh Starts kit. I created a 6 by 8 page. I did pull a sheet of 12 by 12 out of our February scrapbooking add-on kit to create the border for this, and this fits neatly into my 6 by 8 album. I did also pull this chipboard frame. It is old school, vintage. I've been holding on to it forever and finally decided to use it to frame this picture of my husband and I in a flashback a few years when we went to the Grand Canyon. I've also trimmed out this 5 by 8 1/4 page to fit loose into my Life Crafted album. For those of you who haven't seen it yet, here's the Life Crafted album. Comes with a wonderful spine. There are traveler's notebook pages that fit into these, and you can also trim out pages and make beautiful little mini albums. So I made that with the kit, and I did this traveler's notebook page that I inserted into one of the album pages that comes in the album. It's a selfie that my daughter sent me from school that I just love how she touches base from school. Flip side was a page from the January Fresh Starts kit, a picture of my daughter and my niece's niece, and just spending time together, cousins. Last but not least, I wanted to share with you this 8.5 by 11 layout that I made with the February Life Crafted Love Stories kit. And I actually cut apart the cork border on one of the papers and sewed down shapes, cut shapes, rip shapes, and used the butterflies, pop them up with little pop dots to give some depth on the page. Adhered one of the wonderful little chipboard hearts and more of the labels. Anyways, that is our February Life Crafted kit with the Love Stories theme and some of the many ways that you can use it. Don't forget to check out the new stamps that we're going to have in our shop. I just happen to have this in front of me. I did use this a lot on the projects that I created this month. It is our Heart and Soul This Is Life stamp set. It's a 4x6 stamp set. If you haven't had the chance to play with our stamps yet, they are super high quality, buttery soft, and stamped beautifully on your projects. And these are available by subscription or for sale individually. And we do offer free shipping worldwide on all of our Citrus Twist Kits brand stamps. Have a wonderful crafty month, everyone, and thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Bye for now.